If 2x squared minus 9x plus 14 equals a times x minus 1 times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 1 plus c, for all x values an element of the real number set, find the values of the constants a, b, and c. Okay, so we're going to bring down the 2x squared minus 9x plus 14 and the equals. Then we're going to multiply out x minus 1 times x minus 2, and we're going to get x squared minus 3x plus 2. We're going to bring down the a and stick it in front of the brackets. Then b by x is bx, b by minus 1 is minus b, and bring down the plus c. So again, we're going to bring down the 2x squared minus 9x plus 14 and the equal sign. A by x squared is ax squared, a by minus 3x is minus 3ax, a by 2 is plus 2a. Going to bring down the bx, the minus b, and the plus c. Again, we're going to bring down the 2x squared, the minus 9x, the plus 14, and the equal sign. And then we're going to group together the like terms. So on the right hand side of the equal sign, we only have one x squared term, which is the ax squared, so we just bring that down. And then we're going to group together the minus 3ax and the plus bx, because they both have x's. And then anything that doesn't contain an x squared or an x is going to be left at the end. So that's 2a minus b plus c. So 2a minus b plus c. Okay, so then again we're going to bring down the 2x squared, the minus 9x, the plus 14, and the equals. Also bring down the ax squared. We're going to factorize minus 3ax plus bx. We're going to take out the x as the highest common factor. X into minus 3ax is minus 3a. X into bx leaves us with b. And then we're going to group together the 2a, the minus b, and the plus c with brackets around it to show that they are technically the constants because they don't have an x squared or an x stuck onto them. Now we're going to put like to like. So we're going to start off with the x squared terms. So we're going to have 2x squared is equal to ax squared. So we're going to forget about the x squareds and just end up with 2 is equal to a. So we found what a is equal to. Now we need to find b and c. So we're going to group together now the x terms. So we have minus 9x equals x times minus 3a plus b. So we're going to forget about the x's. So we have minus 9 equals minus 3a plus b. The minus 3a comes over the equal sign, becomes plus 3a. So we have minus 9 plus 3a is equal to b. We're going to swap the a for 2 because we already found a to be 2. So we have minus 9 plus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to b. 3 by 2 is 6, and minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3, so b is equal to minus 3. Now we just need to find c. So we're going to group together the constants. So we have 14 equals 2a minus b plus c. So we're going to swap the a for 2 with brackets around it, the b for minus 3, again with brackets around it, and bring down the plus c. So we have 14 equals 2 times 2 minus times minus 3 plus c. 2 times 2 is 4, minus times minus 3 is plus 3, and bring down the plus c. We're going to bring the 4 and the plus 3 over the equal sign. They become minus 4 and minus 3. 14 minus 4 minus 3 is 7, so c is equal to 7. So we were asked to find the values of the constants a, b, and c, and we got a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 7.